नभी विजेच्या घटी रेखा मोर नाचतो बघून पंखा नाचत त्यांच्या बाणी पिंगा घाल ग गवळणी आले शारंग पाणी पिंगा घाल ग गवळणी आले शारंग पाणी पिंगा घाल ग गवळणी आले शारंग पाणी पिंगा घाल ग गवळणी पिंगाबाई पिंगा 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 आले शारंग पाणी पिंगा घाल ग
Once again, thank you to the entire group. We will now talk about Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath was a prominent Marathi Sant, scholar and religious poet of the Warkari Sampradaya. In the development of Marathi literature, Eknath is seen as the bridge between his predecessors, Jnaneshwar and Namdev, and his successors, Tukaram and Ramdas. Sant Eknath gave direction to ordinary people, saying that Paramartha and Samsar are the two sides of the same coin. Take Vithoba's name while you work hard in your daily life. And he was also known for his calm and patient nature. Sant Eknath gave Shanti Sandesh to the entire world, and hence Eknath Maharaj was also called as Shanti Brahma. So now let us hear the story told to us by Atharva Agashe. पण त्याआधी पुन्हा एकदा आपण सगळ्यांनी म्हणूया पुंडलिक वरदे आणि आपला कार्यक्रम अजून संपलेला नाही, त्यामुळे तुम्ही बसून घ्यावं. त्यांना गप्पा मारायचे त्यांनी बाहेर जाऊन गप्पा माराव्यात कृपया. पण एक आता अथर्व आपल्याला एक छानशी गोष्ट सांगणार आहे.
Saint Eknath was a famous saint in India. Once there were 4 gamblers, and one of the gamblers had cheated, and the other gambler knew it. And so the second gambler said, "Thank you for my money." But the first said, "Whoa, whoa, 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 whoa! I won. When you win, you take the money." But the second one said, "No, no, 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 no! You cheated. I saw the mirrors that you put up. It's my money." And the first said, "No, no, no, no! Those mirrors were just conveniently hanging there." And another gambler was watching them fight amongst themselves. And he said, "Come on, guys, let's not fight, let's be friends." And the first gambler said, "Who do you think I am? Saint Eknath? I get mad, I'm human." And the other gambler said, "Interesting. So this Eknath you speak of doesn't get angry." And the gambler said, "No. And so the gambler said, took out all his money, said, "I wager all of this money, Saint Eknath is going to be angry today." And so that day, the gambler stood upon his roof, which was next to the path that Eknath took every day to go to the river and bathe. And so after Eknath was coming back, the gambler, who was chewing pan, which makes your spit look really ugly, leaned back and spit all over Eknath. And Eknath didn't look up or yell or ask who did that. He just turned around and went back to the river and bathed again. And this happened again and again. The Eknath came back and the gambler spit on him, and Eknath turned around and bathed again. And eventually, the gambler got tired of standing on the roof and spitting, and he was out of pan to chew. And so he came down and he asked Eknath, how can you not get mad? I spit on you. You had to bathe 24 times. That was 2 hours off of your time. How could you not get mad? And Eknath said, you see, I bathe before my puja so that I can clean my body before doing the puja. If I get mad and yell at you, I am judging my mind, and it is much easier to clean my body than it is to clean my mind. And the gambler was moved by this, and he changed his ways. He fell at Eknath's feet and begged for forgiveness. And from that day on, the gambler changed his ways, and he became a better person.
Thank you again, Atharva, for this excellent story with great expression.
Yes.
So Santa Eknath tells us that our body is a sacred place, and our pilgrimage should be within us of self-assessment and introspection. So with that, now Prasanna will sing an Abhanga by Santa Eknath, Kaya hi Pandhari, Atma ha Vithala.
काया ही पंढरी आत्मा हा विठ्ठल काया ही पंढरी आत्मा हा विठ्ठल नांदतो केवळ नांदतो केवळ नांदतो केवळ पांडुरंग काया ही पंढरी आत्मा हा विठ्ठल काया ही पंढरी आत्मा हा विठ्ठल काया ही पंढरी आत्मा हा विठ्ठल भाव भक्ति भीमा उदकते वाहे भाव भक्ति भीमा भाव भक्ति भीमा उदकते वाहे बरवा शोभता है पांडुरंग काया ही पंढरी आत्मा हा विठ्ठल काया ही पंढरी आत्मा हा विठ्ठल दया क्षमा शांती दया क्षमा शांती हे जीवात्मंत दया क्षमा शांती दया क्षमा शांती दया क्षमा शांती हे जीवात्मंत मिळाला से थाट मिळाला से थाट मिळाला से थाट वैष्णवांचा काया ही पंढरी आत्मा विठ्ठल काया ही पंढरी आत्मा विठ्ठल ध्यान ध्यान पूजा विवेक आनंद ज्ञान ध्यान पूजा विवेक आनंद ज्ञान ध्यान पूजा विवेक आनंद हाची वेणुनाद हाची वेणुनाद होत से काया ही पंढरी आत्मा विठ्ठल काया ही पंढरी आत्मा विठ्ठल देखिली पंढरी दई जनी मानी देखिली पंढरी 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 देखिली पंढरी दई जनी मानी एका जनार्दनी एका जनार्दनी वारी गारी कायाई पंढरी आत्मा विठ्ठल कायाई पंढरी आत्मा विठ्ठल नांदतो केवळ नांदतो केवळ नांदतो केवळ पांडुरंग कायाई पंढरी आत्मा विठ्ठल कायाई पंढरी आत्मा विठ्ठल.
Thank you so much, Prasanna. So as we move on to the next Abhanga, we move on to the 17th century and see what Santa Tukaram have to say through a story told to us by Anam Mehta. So Santa Tukaram was a farmer merchant that became one of the most prominent poet saints and who composed over 5,000 Abhangas. We'll hear more about him through his Anam stories. Please welcome Anam Mehta.
Years ago, in 1616 in Maharashtra, there was a great famine. And the small village in which Tukaram lived in was greatly affected by this famine. And many of the people in the village started to starve and become destitute. And when Tukaram was a very prosperous farmer merchant in the times without the famine, during the famine he began to lose money very, very quickly. And this was not only due to that his crops were all dying, but because he was very, very generous. So one day, when Tukaram during the famine was going to the market to get some food for himself, he was stopped by a man. He came up to him and said, "Oh, Tukaram, please, I need some help very badly. My children and my wife are starving. They have nothing to eat. They haven't eaten anything for the past week. Please help me in any way you can. I would take anything." And so Tukaram calmly reached into his pocket, took out all the money that he had, and gave it to the man without hesitation, without question. See, this was only one example of his massive generosity. A few months later, during the famine, his wife and his children died. And so Tukaram became very, very sad and was very pained by this loss. And so he began to wonder about life and why his family had died, and he began to wonder about how the world worked. And so he began to live a life full of introspection. And every morning he would climb up the mountain to sit in meditation and to compose his abhangas. And each day his wife would bring him lunch at noon. After a few years, Tukaram's teachings became quite popular with the village, and many people began to follow him. The Brahmins in the village saw this, and they were very egotistical and arrogant, and so they wished to see this stop. They talked within each other and said that he had no right to teach these people, that he had no knowledge of the Vedas or anything like that. And so they decided to destroy him, to destroy his teachings and to destroy his following. And so they ordered him to throw all of his books and teachings and abhangas into the river. And so Tukaram calmly waded into the river and offered all of his supplies to the river, tied to a stone. And for 13 days and nights he fasted and prayed and sat in meditation until at the end of that, his stuff all floated and came back. And so all the Brahmins fell at his feet. And Tukaram gained a much bigger following and spread his abhangas and teachings throughout the land for many, many years. And finally he attained moksha and became a saint.
Thank you so much, Anam. Let us now hear an abhanga of oneness with nature, composed by Santa Tukaram and rendered by Yashashri Gadkari.
वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे पक्षी सुस्वरे आळवीती वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे येणे सुखे रुचे एकांताचा वास येणे सुखे रुचे एकांताचा वास नाही गुण दोष अंगा येत वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे आकाश मंडप पृथ्वी आसारा आकाश मंडप पृथ्वी आसारा रमे तेथे मन क्रीडा करी कंथा कुमंडलू देह उपचारा कंथा कुमंडलू देह उपचारा जाणवी तुम्हारा वसरू वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरे वनचरे वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरे वनचरे हरि कथा भोजन परवडी विस्तार हरि कथा भोजन परवडी विस्तार हरि कथा करुणी प्रकार सेवूरुचे करुणी प्रकार सेवूरुचे करुणी प्रकार सेवूरुचे तुका म्हणे होय मनासी संवाद तुका म्हणे होय मनासी संवाद आपुलाची बात आपणासी वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे पक्षी सुस्वरे आळवीती वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे
Thank you again. Thank you, Yashashri. Hello. So we are on. Going through that, the special announcement I would like to make before we proceed to the next part is we have a very generous offer from one of our Maharashtra Mandal members, Shekhar Garze. As he rightly asked earlier, how much the budget is for the music system. So Shekhar is willing to match every donation that's made today for dollar to dollar. So, but it's only for today. If you make a donation today towards the music system fund, Shekhar is willing to match the offer, the donation. So up to $750, as he heard $1,500 is the budget. So having said that, you are all please encouraged to see the front desk and make any donation that you can make. Make use of this golden opportunity and generosity from the Garde family. Thank you, Shekhar and Shilpa. And now some special mention about Suman Joshi, amongst few others. So as you heard initially, she wrote this play along with Gauri Mehta. So the idea and the concept and the enthusiasm that she brought was so amazing. आपण आज माऊली ह्याच्याबद्दल बोलत होतो, तर विठ्ठल माऊली आपण बोलत होतो, तशी बऱ्याच जणांसाठी सुमन मावशी इज द माऊली ऑफ ऑल्बनी. Thank you so much for bringing this rich culture and heritage to us. बिकॉज ती जेव्हा सांगत होती कॉन्सेप्ट आणि मी तिला तेच सांगितलं, तू जे काय सांगतेस ते आम्हाला पण फार कमी माहिती आहे. बिकॉज शी वॉज थिंकिंग ऑफ सेईंग ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स इन द मराठी स्कूल दॅट इज रन बाय कौस्तुभ अँड केतकी. सो वेन वॉट एव्हर शी वॉज मेन्शनिंग आय सेड, ती म्हणे हे मुलांपर्यंत पोचलं पाहिजे. म्हणलं अगदी बरोबर आहे, पण ते आधी आमच्याबरोबर पण पोचलेलं नाही आहे. त्यामुळे आपण पूर्ण मराठी मंडळाचाच कार्यक्रम करू, फक्त शाळेपुरतं लिमिटेड ठेवू नको. आणि ते तिने शी टुक इट अप. At this time, usually she's supposed to be in India during winter. She postponed her trip so that this can happen. So thank you so much, Sharat Kaka and Suman Joshi. So the co-director, Gauri Mehta, her enthusiasm, most of you have seen through Heritage class. She brought all of that with costume help, writing help, and just being there of like, nahi, this is not authentic. That is what has to happen. गंध कसं पाहिजे, हे कसं पाहिजे, एव्हरीथिंग दॅट्स वेअर दॅट केम फ्रॉम. वारकरींना कसं पाहिजे, धोतरच पाहिजे. कौस्तुभला आज तयार केलं आहे ते सुद्धा अनुज आयाचीच आणि गौरी मेहता, कारण तो म्हणता लग्नानंतर आज पहिल्यांदा माझ्याकडे कोणी लक्ष दिलं की मी काय घातलं पाहिजे. सो ऑल दॅट क्रेडिट गोज टू दीज टू लेडीज. अँड अगेन कमिंग टू अनु आयाचित, हे जे सगळं ह्या स्टेजच्या पुढचा जो हा प्रकार तुम्ही सगळा पाहिला, तो सगळा क्रिएशन इज फ्रॉम अनु आयाचित. अँड सो थँक्यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग पेशंट अँड अनु आयाचित फॅमिली फॉर बीइंग पेशंट विथ ऑल ऑफ दीज आर्टिस्ट इन देअर बेसमेंट फॉर लास्ट 3 weekends. So thanks a lot. And then coming to our singer Yashashri Gadkari, we are tremendously blessed to have her here. We couldn't have done this program without her. So her music direction and singing was just amazing, as you've all seen, sailing through all the technical difficulties and still taking us all to Pandharpur and giving us this beautiful experience and journey. So I would like to say, and my husband Gaurang Gadkari is also here. Thank you so much for all the support you've been giving her. So I would like to mention something about Yashashri's musical journey. She started learning Hindustani classical music at age 5 from Srimati Mangala Ranade, and then she further pursued her training with renowned Hindustani classical vocalist of Gwalior and Jaipur Gharana, Dr. Ram Deshpande. She also considers herself very fortunate to be able to train for semi-classical with renowned Natya Sangeet vocalist Sri Ramdas Kamath. Music runs in her family with her great-grandfather and her father, both trained Hindustani vocalists. So thank you. A big round of applause to all the artists here. And this whole Santavani first time we attempted something like this. And thank you to audience for sitting patiently through a long program and a unique and a new program that we tried and attempted. So with this, I'll welcome Kaustubh again. We'll conclude the program with a Pasaidan. So I really request everyone who's standing, please be seated. We want to all of you to experience this meditative Abhanga. So please, everyone who's in the corridor there, please come and have a seat. Everyone at the membership desk. So we'll wait until everyone is seated. All the hard-working people also are seated, then we'll start after that.
So Mandari, Suman Maushi wanted to give this message in closing across to all those who are attending here today about the saints of Maharashtra. These saints came from all walks of life, men and women, young and old. They attached least importance to a person's position in society. And these people, they lived their life very simply. They ate together with their people, they danced, they hugged each other, and they led by example. The saints focused less on rituals and more on bhakti. And they emphasized that every individual is equal in God's eyes. So through this beautiful journey that we experience today, and thanks to all our singers, Kalakar, Bal Santa, Varkari, the values set by these saints, for all of us, we need to follow them and carry forward to future generations to learn. Back to Rashmi.
निवृत्तीनाथ म्हणजे ज्ञानेश्वरांचे वडील बंधू आणि गुरु होते. त्यांच्याकडे संत ज्ञानेश्वर यांनी हा प्रसाद म्हणजेच पसायदान मागितले. ज्ञानेश्वरांच्या 9000 ओव्यांचा सार ह्या 9 ओव्यांमध्ये आहे. ज्ञानेश्वरांचे हे मागणे जगावेगळं आहे. त्यात त्यांनी स्वतःसाठी काहीही न मागता या संपूर्ण विश्वासाठी मागितलं आहे. ही विश्व प्रार्थना 10 दिशांसाठी आहे आणि इच्छा पूर्ण करणारी, मनशांती देणारी आणि सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोन वाढवणारी अशी ही सांघिक प्रार्थना. आनंदाचे डोही आनंद तरंग असे हे भाग्य तुम्हा आम्हा सर्वांना लाभो, हीच विश्वविनायकाकडे प्रार्थना करून आपण ह्या पसायदानाच्या कार्यक्रमाने आपल्या कार्यक्रमाची सांगता करूया. For all the little guests and adults, we request everyone sit in a meditation as we end today's program with Sant Jnaneshwar's Pasaidan.
आता विश्वात्मके देवे येणे वाक्यज्ञे तोषावे, तोषोनी मज द्यावे पसायदान हे. जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो त्या सत्कर्मी रती वाढो, भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जिकाचे, दुरिताचे तिमिर जावो विश्वस्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहो, जो जे वांछिल तो ते लाहो प्राणी जात, वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांडियाळी अनवरत भूमंडळी भेट तू भूता चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणीचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पियुषाचे चंद्रमेचे आलंछन मार्तंड जे तापहीरा ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोयरे होतो किंबहुना सर्व सुखी पूर्ण होऊनी तिन्ही लोकी भजिजो आदि पुरुखी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टादृष्ट विजये होआवे जी येथे म्हणे श्री विश्वेश्वरावो हा होईल दान पसा